Bashara will be back in court just over an hour from now, fighting for a new trial. He's serving time for the murder of his wife, Jane. And 7 Action News reporter Nima Shafei tells us now why the spotlight won't be on Bashara when the hearing resumes. Nima.
Joanne, although this is the hearing for a new trial for Bob Bashara and it's a continuation of that hearing, that spotlight you mentioned will be right on Joe Gentz, his former handyman. The reason? The former handyman is supposed to decide before the court today whether he'll change his testimony to match a recently filed affidavit claiming he acted alone in the 2012 murder of Jane Bashara. Up until now, Gentz claimed Jane's husband forced him to do it. He said he had killed Jane because he was threatened and paid by Bashara. In the affidavit Gentz filed from prison, he changes his story, saying police coerced him to frame his former boss, Bob Bashara. Just yesterday, Judge Vonda Evans heard an emergency motion that was filed in the case. It's not clear if that will have any impact on the hearing when it resumes this afternoon. If Gentz decides to change his testimony, he could face first-degree murder and life in prison rather than the 28 years he's doing now. And based on what happens today in court, it could impact Bashara and his motion for a new trial going forward. And Joanne, our plan is to have a crew inside the courtroom, and we'll keep everyone up to date both on air and online at WXYZ.com. Outside the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice, I'm Nima Shafei, 7 Action News.
Nima, thank you for the update.